Welcome to my channel. Let's prepare today fish curry. First, clean and marinate the fish. Wash fish pieces thoroughly. Marinate with salt and turmeric. Let it rest for 15-20 minutes. Let's prepare the masala. In a grinding jar, add garlic cloves, ginger, dry red chilli, cumin seeds, mustard seed, coriander seeds. Grind. Now add little water and make smooth paste. Shallow fry the fish. Heat oil in a pan, preferably mustard oil, until it smokes. Fry fish pieces till golden on both sides. Remove and keep aside. Prepare the curry base. In the same oil, add mustard seeds or panch are an optional. Add chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Add turmeric and salt. Add tomatoes and cook until oil separates. Add the paste which we prepared earlier. Cook till raw smell goes away. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. Saute the masala with little water if needed until the mixture becomes aromatic. Add water. Pour in 1 to 1.5 cups of water. Let it come to a boil. Add fried fishes. Gently place fried fish into the gravy. Cook for 7 minutes on low-medium flame so the fish absorbs the flavors. Simmer for another 2 minutes and turn off the heat. A final touch. Add chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with jeera rice, steamed rice. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel.